Hello everyone! In this video I'll make the secretary for my daughter. The secretary I will make from that pine and Carpathian spruce boards. I have several ones that size what I need. I made rabbets to join them in one body. Now I'm making more rabbets. I want to use some cross rails elements to build the body. Cut corners using a homemade guide rail so as not to interfere with the plinth. Install the secretary close to the wall. I collect the body with screws and carpenter's ear glue. The next step is fitting without glue cross rail elements. They are needed for the assembly of convenience. Checking for square, make marking, remove the rails one by one to put the glue and fasten back. Cut off the excess rails parts. Alignment surface with a black plane. For greater rigidity, I am using additionally installed brace. This can be done by lap join, marking and making laps by hand circular saw, then cleaning with a sharp chisel. I installed brace with glue and screws. Cut off excess parts. It's time to make the boxes. Cutting pine boards to the same size what I need using table saw and stop block on my cross-cut sled. Now I am drilling holes for screws. Sanding with a 120 grit abrasive. The use of screws is not the best way to build boxes. But they are not big, so I'm hoping that all will be okay. Box body will be further strengthened by the bottom sheet of MDF. MDF is nailed to the body with nails and hammer. Heads over measure by block plane. Here I have folding door and here 3 of the facade for boxes. I did the layout on the back side of the board for decorative routing. Here I have round router bit. So that's routing. You have to be careful. I made a mistake in this operation. After routing I got this result. My mistake clearly visible, but a little later I will correct it and show you. Facades for boxes will be very simple, just routing perimeter with round overbit. Next, routing rabbet for the rear wall made of MDF. It's time to unscrew the screws, make holes for dowels and install them on the glue. Now sanding with a 120 grit abrasive. For installing bottom panel, I'll use dowel markers for holes. Then setting dowels and installing panel with carpenter's glue. Many clamps needed here. I temporarily fixed box facades with screws through the holes for the handles. Additionally fixed by nails. Then I decided, just in case, to further strengthen corners of boxes by the same nails. The boxes will be moved on the wooden rails. Now unscrew the temporary screws and install handles. These are lock blocks. We will not let the boxes fall on the floor. Now I can install furniture hinges for folding door. For that I'm using handsaw and chisel. Let's see how to open the folding door. For good stability, secretaire through the back panel will be attached to the wall. Back panel I usually make from MDF. And let's see how I fixed my mistake on folding door facade. I just routed the line along almost all door. Also, I installed a sheet of MDF as a removable cover. There are many toys in the secretariat now. When my child grows up, there will be a laptop and desk lamp, I guess. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.